Let me just see if it happens again. All right.
What's
Oh, there's a rat rod there. That's pretty cool. Oh, look at there's a gasser. That's pretty sweet. I think I might have just erased the whole camera before. Yeah, I might have. I mean, most of everything that's on there I've got, but just all of this I won't have. So I might have just, I don't know. But it was stopped. I don't know what was going on there. It was really weird. Oh, look at this Subaru wagon.
Can people buy one?
These hands are so itchy.
Hi, Leanne. How are you?
Just looking at all the pretty cars.
Mm. Yeah. All right.
Ready?
Yeah, I don't know what's going on here, but now it's like jumping into a weird autofocus mode.
Come on, Peter.
There we go. Now I got it back. Weird. Hey, look at that's like my old truck.
Oh, yeah.
It's almost exactly
Except, are you
different color.
red?
Yeah. Uh-uh.
I'll forget.
Hmm. I used to have a black version of this car. Same with the roof vinyl off, yeah. It's pretty sweet. Probably really fast with that blower on there, buddy.
Oh, where's Daddy? Oh, there he is. Top speed is 250.
Dude, I used to have a black, that's Malibu Classic with a shaved roof. Same thing, yeah. Yeah. The vinyl off it.
Look at this Ford Wrestler.
I had an LT1, which is probably a pretty valuable engine now. Oh, there's a Beaumont. I've always liked the Beaumonts. It's like the gentleman's hot rod.
Must be in Birchland Park then, I guess.
That's a weird little Volvo. You see that thing?
Oh, yeah. That was the punch buggy. Oh, that's what I thought it was. Oh, the food is down
Yeah, so the guy with that piano.
Oh,
We'll see. Maybe we should do a quick walk up the main road if I lost all our recordings, eh?
yeah, maybe. Do you want to go look in Birchland Park?
Is there more cars in the park?
Yeah, there's tons.
Oh, wow. Okay. Well, let's go this way.
I don't remember
No, it looks Jaguar.
go behind it.
Oh, maybe behind it. No, that's a Mopar. It's Corvette, buddy.
Let's get that car to that truck back there.
It's no ain't going anywhere with your mom, isn't it?
It's like, it's got to be.
Look at this old Ford truck here. That's pretty cool. It's all beat up and beautiful.
more.
Hey, quit shot blocking me there, bud.
Sorry.
Constantly.
Yeah. That's expensive.
Oh, this event's sure grown over the years, eh?
The hot dog and water. Want a hot dog? That's $5. Yes, please.
Or do you want to go to like Schmitty's after we're done or something?
You want to go to Schmitty's?
Get some real food.
Real food?
Hey,
Yeah.
we're not going to be that much longer. We just got to do it in here and then we'll go walk the main drag once real quick.
Sure.
We don't have to walk all inside here. I don't.
No. Yeah, sure.
Then we get some like real food that we all want to eat because I'm not eating a hot dog. Sorry, but
Buddy, like this, look.
that's rat fink, eh?
Hey, that's me. That's my car. It's a dragster, yeah, with rat pink on it.
Sweet.
There you go, man.
Is that for free? You're not charging for that?
No.
No, oh, right on. Thank you. Have a good day, guys. Cool. Now you can put that up on your wall. Rat Fink is like art from the 60s, man, when it was cool.
So this is like.
Don't fold that. Whatever you do, don't fold that. Keep it. Here. Oh, damn it. Hold that. Okay, here. We'll fold it and hold it like this so you don't wreck it. There. Ah. Oh, look at that old El Camino. It's cool. Look at this van. It's got a Demon 340 in it. Big fast Mopar racing engine. Dodge Duster. Man, there's a lot of cars here this year, hey?
Didn't even go
No,
the baseball diamond.
I know. There's so many this year. Well, I guess let's cut through here because we don't want to do this whole thing, right? It's really growing. Oh, there's another version. That's like my truck, same color and everything, but jacked up a little bit. No, that was a shame to get rid of that old thing.
Are you gonna walk now?
Cool. That's really cool. I've never seen this year of International before.
17, Canada.
Sweet.
Wow. We're gonna sing you a song. This is for you. You ready? This is the one we always want to sing. I love little baby ducks. Oh, pick up.
Look at this thing. You don't see something like that around here. This Peugeot.
No.
French car. Yeah. It's different, hey?
I love little country trains. Sleep without dreams. Sunday school in May. And
Oh, there it is. That's it right there. Black with gold trim. That was the car I wanted when I was a kid, right there. Yeah.
pictures of our friend. Birds in the world. And squirrels.
That's definitely it right there.
Elvis Presley songs. Voices because they're strong. Funny with the cats. Puppies.
That's my 10-year-old me's dream car right there. Hey, Gordon.
To eat, Edward.
Hey, Gordon. That's the car exactly right there that I wanted when I was a kid.
This is
If I got my black belt in karate, my dad was going to pay half for that thing.
They're punch.
Wasn't that much money back then though.
Ah,
Look at, there's tons of them over here. These are all Trans Ams.
when they cry, losers, because they try. Here's what's good
Nope.
in life.
Okay, let's keep moving, I guess.
Yes. Love you.
Oh, look at these.
Oh, yeah.
Different, eh? We got cherry blossoms on them. Here, move here and shot again. Why is it trying to focus on that truck and not the car in front of me? Oh, look at these little things. They're probably like Messerschmitts or something. That's awesome.
That's so cute. Popping and take a selfie.
That's what it says?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Here, hold this. I'm gonna pop in. Catch up with you later.
It's more of a dress-up package.
You don't see those every day, the California specials.
Oh,
Look at this Type 10 Cavalier.
that's funny.
The Kane loves stuff like these old corky. Oh, yeah. Oh, he's here somewhere.
Oh,
I don't know about right now, but he's apparently here somewhere. Or he's gonna be here. Oh, that's sweet. I think that's the same car we were just looking at.
oh, here.
Why isn't he in your little doggy baby pouch?
Oh, that's just for bike rides.
Oh, darn. I saw you guys coming at me. I was like, please tell me he's got the dog in the pouch.
Back to recording. See, something like that's sweet. I don't know if they made that to look. That almost looks a bit like fake. Like they made that to look patinaed.
No, I put it in my car.
So when will you you don't really want to haul it.
Look at this thing.
That.
It's probably, yeah. It's pretty cool, eh? It's got a Chevy 6-liter in it. Yeah, guaranteed that was originally what it was for.
This is not a two-town. So this is a two-town.
Those plastic.
That's not a two-town. They got a guy to the party.
Look, this is so neat. See, it's like capturing this car right now, and then like a box, it's going on the cars, right? Oh, this lot's all full here too, eh? Wow, there's a lot of people here this year.
I'm starving.
Me too, but we'll go soon. But we're just gonna walk up this way because I think I blanked out all my recordings earlier. Okay.
Oh, that's it.
You want to just gamble that I got it and go?
Yeah.
Whatever you want to do.
All right, let's just go out this way then, and I'll just record on the way out. Then these last cars again. Hopefully we didn't lose those. It's just weird that it stopped recording. I think I was full, and I think I might have blanked the whole card out. Which most of it I don't really care. Go where?
You see those cars down there.
So I don't.
Sweet. Just gonna keep panning as people walk in front of one side. I'll pan to the other. I like those old station wagons with the glass in the roof there. That's pretty cool, eh?
Yeah. This picture has folded that.
Well, just be careful with it.
I'm trying to, but the ring keeps on.
I know, it's okay. It is getting a little breezy, but it's keeping the temperature down. It's nice out now. Oh, that old Ford GTO, black GTO, that's pretty rad. Nova Super Sports, older gen GTO. Okay, well, I'm holding the camera, your mom's holding the dog, so I'm just gonna have to deal with it, buddy. That old Chevy truck, two-tone, even that blue one beside it's really nice, eh?
Yeah, even that one beside it's pretty.
Ah! Step on my shoes, goober. Oh, look at a Pantera, that's rad. I would love to own one of these. When I used to mow lawns back in Vancouver, someone had one under a tarp that he was restoring. He let me check it out one day. They're pretty cool. That's rad. Oh, that's a piece of art, that exhaust system. Yeah, I saw that. Cool, are we gonna go down this way then, or what? Okay, I just wanted to check out the Pantera. You don't see those every day. Ooh, look at that. It's the old station wagon. That thing's rad. Hey, it's on airbags. Look, they got it lowered right down. Wow, that's a good shape. That old square body Chevy over there. That gray one. I guess we gotta go this way, so if we go to the end and then turn. We didn't, oh, that's closed, so that's not, that wasn't on the venue then. Yeah, this lens sucks for this in a way. Because see, a normal lens, I'd be able to walk really close to these and get it, but now I'm having to be 30 feet away, right? So that kind of sucks. See, to like do the perfect shot on these trucks, I gotta be, or these cars, I gotta be this far away, right? Which makes it very difficult. Whereas with like that smaller lens, I could be right up close and still shooting, right?
Yeah, I'm coming.
There's a lot of them here, eh? These Malibu classics, like I used to have. There's a blue one. They shaved their vinyl top too. Mine looks so rad in that black. It had a Corvette engine in it. That thing was so much fun. Just a tension magnet for the cops, though. Hang on, I gotta slow down a sec. We're walking at the same pace, so it's like we're constantly in the shot. There we go. I see mine a lot. Oh. Yeah, look at there's a Cobra Town bodega. Yeah, that's exactly what we're gonna do. We'll go get something to eat, unless it's too busy.
Yeah. Now all the cars are leaving.
Mm-hmm. Let's go jump this fence here.
Okay, jump it.
I'm kidding. Uh-oh.
Mom, you have to jump the fence.
Oh, here's another C8 over here, Gordon. Oh no, this is a GT40. Ford GT. Where'd you guys go? Gordon, look at this. It's a Ford GT, the new one. No, dude, Ford GT. This thing's sweet. I'd way rather have this than a Lambo. How many people have Lambos? You know how few people have these? Look at this thing. See how the back end does this? You know, I bet you it's probably worth more than that now. That's sweet. Oh, and his tires are nice and scrubbed. This guy actually drives this thing.
As he should.
Yeah, absolutely. Oh, God, look at the exhaust in this thing, Gordon. Look at the pipes. That thing is rad.
Don't step on those.
That thing is amazing. Well, if I was giving out awards, I think it'd be had right now.
Oh, look, you can see his engine.
Oh, God, that's a cool car.
And aren't you already giving out awards?
No. But if I was, this would be what I would pick, probably. No, as in, like, they're going to win those trophies we saw, the awards. Yeah. Okay. That's what all those trophies we looked at earlier are, the awards for who's going to win in the car show. I don't know if this guy's even in the car show, but that thing's rad. Look at, they got radiators right there in front of the back tires.
Wonder how fast.
That thing's rad. That, in my mind, that's the coolest car here.
Lambo GT are really the best.
All right, here we are, everybody. We're at the High River Auto Show this year, 2023, and I just about tripped on a pipe and killed myself. There's my family in the background. Anyway, hope you enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you in the next one.